Imagine stepping into a machine meant to carry you forward or backward in time, only to realize it has betrayed you. When the gears stop spinning and the humming fades, you emerge not into a bustling city of the future or the glory of the past, but into silence. No voices, no civilization, no one, just you, the first and perhaps the only human alive in this place. You wanted adventure. Instead, you found absolute solitude. And now you must confront the most terrifying question of all. Can a human survive when there is no one else to share existence with? The first minutes are confusing. The world looks like Earth, but strangely unfinished. The skies glow with an untouched brilliance. The air feels raw, almost electric. Forests stretch endlessly, but there are no roads, no smoke, no sound of people. You shout, your voice echoes back to you, but no one answers. You wait, expecting a villager, a traveler, even a predator. But only silence replies. Slowly, the truth cuts through. You are the first human here. At first, loneliness feels like freedom. No rules, no expectations. But within hours, that freedom becomes a prison. Humans are built for voices, for eye contact, for laughter and argument. Without them, your mind begins to twist. You speak out loud, just to hear your own voice. You give names to trees, rocks, and rivers, pretending they are companions. But deep inside, you know they will never answer back. Loneliness is not just emotional, it's physical. Food becomes harder to find. You wander through forests filled with fruits you cannot name, streams whose water may or may not be safe. You have no tools, no fire, no way to pass knowledge forward because there is no one to share it with. You realize how fragile civilization truly is. Without others, you are just another animal struggling for scraps in the dark. Days pass, then weeks. Silence is no longer just silence. It becomes a weight pressing on your chest. You hear phantom footsteps. You imagine voices whispering in the wind. Your own thoughts echo so loudly they feel like screams. You begin to ask yourself, what is the point of survival if there is no one to witness it? If no memory of you will remain? Were you ever truly alive? The machine gave you life in this timeline, but it also cursed you with a truth no one was meant to face. To exist without others is to slowly fade inside. And yet, somewhere in that crushing loneliness, a spark remains. You think of those who once existed beside you, the family, the friends, the strangers on the street. You realize humanity was never about survival of the strongest, but survival of the connected. Maybe you are not here to thrive. Maybe you are here as a reminder, to carry the story of humanity's need for each other. Even when there is no one left to hear it, you sit beneath a star-filled sky, wondering if anyone will ever walk beside you in this time. The loneliness is unbearable, but it has taught you the greatest truth of all. Humans are not built to be alone. We are built for each other. And as the night deepens, you whisper into the darkness, not for an answer, but for hope. Because maybe, just maybe, someone, someday, will find their way here. This is the loneliness of being the first, and only, human alive.